Are you looking for the best bow saw? In this video, we will break down the top bow saws on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best bow saws, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Bahco 10-30-23 30-inch Ergo Bow Saw. At about 1.5 pounds, the Bahco 30-inch is definitely one of the top bow saws you'll find. It features a 23-tooth blade that is designed for green wood, but can be used for light dry cutting as well. The ergonomic design, coupled with the patented knuckle protector and comfortable grip, is easy to hold for long periods of time without undue discomfort. Cutting small branches of 3 to 6 inches in diameter is a snap, and the saw can master a log of as much as 12 inches before you have to do any creative cutting. The oval tube frame is crucial to the design, absorbing the stress of cutting without bending. And to help you out initially, the factory blade is sharpened using state-of-the-art precision tooling to give you a faster, smoother cut. There is even an engineered tensioning mechanism to keep the blade tight and reduce bowing and binding as you cut. The snap-on blade guard seems more like an afterthought and is made of lightweight plastic, but it still works well enough, and the saw is an excellent tool with or without the blade guard. At 30 inches long, it will make quick work of thick branches and small tree stumps, but some may prefer the smaller 24 or 21-inch versions. At number 2, we have the Agawa Canyon Boreal 21-inch folding bow saw. This versatile folding saw has automatic tension, making it possible to open it without having to touch the glass-filled nylon blade. A high-clearance 3-inch aluminum frame makes deeper cuts possible. Due to the design, this saw can be opened and locked in place quickly and effortlessly. Those who own this saw consider it the best on the market. Not only does it cut well, the design means no wing nuts to worry about. Changing blades is easy, and the tension helps you keep cuts straight and smooth. You'll be hard-pressed to find a complaint about this saw. The 21-inch folded length means you might have a few issues getting it into your backpack without some planning. Also, keep in mind that the auto tension means this saw will literally snap in place and might startle those around you. At number 3, we have the Sven Saw 21-inch backpacking saw. This lightweight backpacker saw is the perfect companion for any camping or hiking trip. Its folding blade is made of tempered Swedish steel to provide years of quality service. When not in use, the blade is completely hidden in a rugged, high-strength aluminum frame to protect both you and your backpack from accidental cuts. When you want a good, reliable camping saw, this is the perfect go-to. Owners report that the saw can cut through small diameter trees almost effortlessly, and that the overall durability is excellent. Several owners have recommended adding a washer behind the wing nut to help reduce wear. This saw has had a few issues which are common with folding designs. One of the biggest problems is that the blade cannot be tightened past a certain point, making it more difficult to get straight cuts. The other issue is in length. The saws aren't short, even when folded, so you may find yourself attaching it via the leather strap instead of stowing it. At number 4, we have the Baco 332-21-51 21-inch bow saw. This pointed nose bow saw is great for getting into tight spaces. An ergonomic grip makes work easier, while the blade is perfect for cutting through dry timber. A blade cover is also included for safer handling between tasks. One of the most popular features of this saw is the dual tension control. Large adjustments can be made using 2 blade stops, while the wing nut allows precise tightening. Owners prefer the 332-21-51 for small to medium jobs, where they say it cuts fast and smooth. It seems rare, but a few owners have reported getting blades where the teeth weren't properly set. The reduced curve resulted in the saw seizing partway through a job. Replacing the blade remedied this situation. And at number 5, we have the Truper 302 55-21-inch bow saw. With more than 40 years in the industry, Truper is a Mexican manufacturing company that works hard to maintain its reputation as a premier tool company, and this tool is no exception. The 21-inch Truper 302-55 is lightweight at only 22 ounces and has a taller profile than most same-length saws for cutting larger branches. Made for cutting green wood, this model was designed using the latest engineering technology available. The most significant feature is the cam and lever tensioning system, which allows you to keep the blade tight and perform straighter, faster cuts without problems. There have been a few complaints that the rivets are of low quality and break easily. The good news is that they can be readily replaced with ordinary rivets if the problem comes up. So that sums up our top bow saws. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.